Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was doing a cutting board this morning for a gentleman that had 3 different pieces of wood, and I put some text over here. So this drawing it out, it was just a bunch of 8 by or 10 by 5 squares, and snapped them all together, and that way you know when you put your text in the center. But the star, and if you watch some of the videos about centering a star, if you've got the star selected, if you will hold down the shift key and select that box and go EC, it puts it in the center. But is it truly in the center? Well, if you have the same size circle and you hit shift or hold down shift and go EC, you can see the star is not truly in the center because stars don't center. It has something to do with the weight of the star or something. Now, in previous videos, I've shown how you could turn the star into a 6-sided star. It is selected. We'll hold the shift and EC, and now you can see that's in the center. Click back on your star and turn it into a 5-point star, and now it's equally in the center of that circle, which is in the center of your drawing. So the circle can help you just to make sure that it's in the center. So we've got the circle selected. We're going to shift on our box, EC, it doesn't matter which order you put it in. And then that way you know that your star is in the center if you wanted to do a test, because it's relatively pretty hard to figure that out. And you could also take a 2-point line and get to the quadrant and move to the quadrant, and then you'll notice it is on that same plane as the other board, which is half the distance of the wood. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.